What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Spell Token, which has once again hit a huge green candlestick, and as you guys can see it has pumped up over 15% in the last 24 hours. It was over 20% earlier this afternoon, however we can see it has taken a slight dip right now. So we're going to be going through what is next for Spell Token. Is this the recovery point? Is this the point where it's literally going to keep hitting green candles over the coming weeks and months, and looking at, is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Or on the other hand, if you already invested into the crypto, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it potentially breaks out in 2024? And also we will be covering its short-term and long-term prediction, and also covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see we are currently trading in the blue zone. It's literally broken out from the dark green zone into the blue zone earlier this afternoon, and we are still there. So two things can happen here guys. It can either drop back down into the dark green zone, or potentially head higher up into the blue zone, but we will be going through all of that stuff later on in the video. So for now I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Spell Token, which is here in purple, and we can see the crypto is actually trading at a slightly higher value here in green, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction. They are looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. Reason they're looking quite steep, heading towards the bearish direction, is because of the drop that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks the crypto is likely to keep dropping at that pace and in that direction as well, which is not the case. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, by midday tomorrow, I'm expecting Spell Token to have gone for an overall minimal increase in value. So essentially trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment is where I'm expecting Spell Token to be trading at. Of course, do expect green and red candles in between. It is likely to be quite volatile, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? So we're looking a little bit more skeptical here. We do have the blue line, it's still looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction. However, the orange line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially, again, the overall outcome here seems to be more on the neutral side, because what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from the graph. However, from the analysis and predictions that I have done, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Spell Token over the next 7 to 8 days. So essentially by the end of next week, the crypto should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. However, does not mean it's going to consistently hit green candles over the next 7 to 8 days. Of course not. It is also likely to hit red days in between, but again, what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to once again be more on the positive side. So Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking much more positive, guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction. So at this point, an overall increase in value is what is expected from Spell Token over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So mid to late July 2024, Spell Token should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Again, how high? I'll get into that shortly, but it's not going to be a minimal increase. It's going to be quite a huge increase, especially that I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high in July. This should have a major positive impact on the crypto market, which of course involves Spell Token as well, and the increase is likely to be quite high as well. So let's focus on how high. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So we have broken out from the dark green zone into the blue zone right now. And yes, it is likely to drop back down into the green zone over the next couple of days before it breaks back again into the blue zone towards mid to end of next week, and potentially heading into the higher tier here, potentially in late June and early July. It should be able to hit the top tier level here, potentially going back to where it was trading back in March. As you guys can see, hitting this value or slightly higher is what I'm expecting from Spell Token at the moment. However, this is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis, so if there are any major updates or news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Spell Token, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up near about 900% in the last 24 hours, making it over $150 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is quite obvious, the crypto has pumped up quite a bit, so we are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto. Over the week it has gone up 27%, and over the month nearly 40% up, guys, which again, it is quite good, especially the way that Spell Token and the crypto market has been performing. Hasn't been too well, but it is very good to see that it is slowly starting to recover. Let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting Spell Token to go in 2024. Personally, 0.005 cents in value towards the very end of this year or early next year is reasonable, and it's quite achievable, especially the way it's been performing. Let me know your takes and your predictions on that. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.